So in this part, I'm going to select the doors and then go to here and then select the type 4 doors, and then I'm going to load them up. But in this file, we already had the doors type 1, 2, and 3, and the only difference between them was the size. So I load up the type 4 door here, and then we're going to add and edit the information that's necessary. So here we have the barcode and other types of useful data like the guarantee and other stuff. And then if we go to the edit type, we have some more info here that could come in handy. Let me just open it up and then scroll down. So these are the parameters that make this door suitable for us. Let me just scroll down so we can see all of the data, and these are the information that I've already added to the file. So I hit OK and then come out of this. So we go to the plan, and all the places that we have the type 4 doors, we're going to select the door and put them like this in that area. So let's see where we should put this other one. The opening is this way, so we put it here. And then we go over here and then put another one here. Then we go over here. We have another type 4 over here. So we'll just put it here like this. And there we go. So let's see what else we have here. And this part here, we have a type 2 door. So I open the door section here. Pull it down here, hit space, and then pull one here, and then another one over here. And up here we have a type 3 door. So let me just link this with this one, or maybe let's just get rid of it and then connect the whole thing, because we need to reduce the type of walls as much as we can so that our space is better managed. So I open up a type 3 door and I put it over here like this. And then another one right here, a type 3. Here we have a type 1 door, so I put it right here. And I'll just continue building the doors like this and then skip over them, and then we can explain the rest as we go on. So one important point before we move on, we need to know where we've put on the doors and where we haven't. So in order to get a better look at it, we go to the view section up here, and then we go to the visibility graphics section, or maybe we just go to the manage so we can affect the whole plan. We go to the manage section and then pull up the object styles window and pull up the door section. So here we have some subcategories like plan swing. So I'll just put the color on red and then apply. So let's see what happens. Then I scroll further down. As you can see, we have glass, panel, plan swing, and then elevation swing, archive, and all the different subcategories. But we don't need them now, so let's just hit OK. So here I thought the color was going to be red. Let's just select it and see why it isn't red. We go to the family. Let's just go back to the plan and take a look at it. So this has already been built in the family section that we had. Let me just go to the new family space that's created. So here we go. And here we have the material that says swing zone, and the subcategory is on none. So firstly, let me fix the family category. I'll put it on door and then OK. So after we've done that, let me see, we go to the identity data section here, and then we scroll down the subcategory menu to see what we have. Let me see what else we have here. All right. So let me just see what we have to do. I'll go over here and I'll select this one. And after I've done that, I'm going to scroll down the subcategory menu again, put it on panel. Let's see what happens. I'm going to hide it for a second. So there we go. And the line that you see we have here, I put this on doors. All right, let's go to the plan. And then I go to the object styles window. I open up the doors. And as you can see, it says plan swing here. This is what I wanted to see in the plan. So we just close this up. So that's it. Then let's go to the Manage tab. Then I'll open the Object Styles window again. So in here, let me just make a new subcategory and I'll name it Plan Swing. In the subcategory of door, and then I'm going to choose a color for it. Let's go with red. So I select it and then I go to the identity data again and I put this on Plan Swing Cut. So I hit apply and then we go to the object styles again. And from here, I'm going to put the line pattern on dash and then I'll hit apply. So in the plan, I'm going to choose the plan swing, and in the subcategory, I'm going to scroll down and select the plan swing again. And then I'm going to select the line that we have here and put it in the subcategory of panel cut. So I'm going to load this to the door file that we have. Let me just hit this and then overwrite. So like this. Then I'll go to the Manage tab, Object Styles, and there it is. I hit OK. So I get a save from a file and I hit yes on this window. Let me just load it into the project once and see how it looks. And this is how it looks like. Let me just go back to the Object Styles. I'll open up the doors, and the one that I've created, the plan swing, I'll put the pattern on dash again, and this is how it turns out. And after that, let's go to the panel. So for a color, I'm going to choose red again, then hit OK. Then I'll hit apply and then OK again. So now in the plan, anywhere that we have a red door, it means we have a door that I've created with the Revit. And this way it's easier to see where we have a door and where we have not. So I'll continue to put the doors.